Yes, students, last time we have checked the Lechatelier principle. Lechatelier principle, this is the study of Lechatelier on the change in the factors like concentration, pressure and temperature on equilibrium reaction. So its a theoretical portion is already discussed. Now we are discussing the conceptual question regarding the Lechatelier principle. Student, actually these type of questions are generally asked in the exam. Therefore, it is necessary to check some questions. Here the questions are already written in the board. I am reading it. You listen carefully and observe also. Does the number of moles of reaction product, okay, reaction product, that is these are the reactant and these are the product, okay, increases, decreases or remains the same when following equilibria, that is these reactions are called equilibrium reactions, is subjected to decrease in pressure. So in the question part we have to concentrate in this part, that is if we decrease in the pressure by increasing the volume, okay, what change will occur in the reaction product. Along with in the question we have to follow the direction of reaction when the pressure is getting decreases. So this is the meaning of a question. Student, to solve such a question, it is necessary to read the question properly at least 2 times and then properly understand what the question is there. Okay. So now I am going to deal first question. PCl5 is converted into PCl3 and Cl2. These are called product and this is called reactant. So we have to find out what will be changed in the reaction product if the pressure is decreases. Student, I told you during the effect of pressure that the effect of pressure occur in the case of number of moles of product is not same with the reactant. Are you getting? Moreover, we have seen that if the pressure is increases, the reaction shift to the direction where lesser number of moles are present, and if the pressure is decreases, the reaction is shifted to the direction where the number of mole is more. That is what? The pressure is more. Isn't it? So keeping this idea in mind, now we can solve the question. Students, you can check in the reaction side, reactant side, there is how many moles? 1 mole. But in the product side, 1 plus 1 mole. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 moles are there. All the species are gaseous, therefore their number of moles are counted. That means what? In the reaction product side, there are how many moles? 2 moles. While in the reactant side, there is what? 1 mole. So on decrease in pressure, the reaction will shift to the direction where more number of moles are present. So the more number of moles are present in forward direction. So simply according to question, our answer will be what? Increase. What? Our answer will be increase. Okay. And the second one, direction of reaction. So reaction will shift to which direction? Forward direction. Forward direction. Isn't it? This is the answer. Now, next question. CaO plus CO2 gives CaCO3. But remember here, the two species, calcium oxide is solid, so need not to find its mole. calcium carbonate is again solid, so need not to count its mole. Thus, reactant side, the gaseous mole is only one species CO2 and its mole is only 1 mole. So this is what? 1 mole, while there is no mole. So if we decrease the pressure, the reaction will shift to backward direction. It is because the number of mole is what? 1, while product side number of mole is 0. We will call it what? 0, because the solid moles are solid substances mole are not counted. Okay, so here the answer in one word will be what? Decrease, and reaction will shift to reaction. Okay, will shift to which direction? Backward direction. Backward direction. Isn't it? Question number 3. 3Fe solid, okay, reacts with steam to form Fe3O4 solid plus 4H2, and 4H2 is what? Gas. So again, the solid substances moles are not counted. Okay, therefore we will count only what? Gaseous substances. So how many moles are there? 4 moles are there. And how many moles are here? Again, 4H2 is gas, so 4 moles are there. So here what? Np is equal to Nr. Isn't it? So no change in pressure. No change of pressure. Getting? That is on the basis of question. What we will say? In word we will say remains same. That is, the product mole will not change. It will remain what? Remains same. And the direction, no change. That is, there will be no shifting of reaction. So in such a way you can solve some question. We will discuss some more question in next video.